In my previous video, I was discussing the word problems on maxima and minima. In this video also, I'll continue with the exercise questions. So these are the questions from exercise 6.5 of chapter 6, application of derivatives, from the book Applied Mathematics by M.L. Agarwal. So the 21st question, show that a right circular cylinder of given volume which is open at the top has minimum total surface area if its height is equal to the radius of its base. So here we have a right circular cylinder of given volume and it is also open at the top. We have to show that this right circular cylinder has minimum total surface area if its height is equal to the radius of its base. So first let us take, let R be the radius and let H be the height of the right circular cylinder. So here we have this cylinder with radius R and height H. So we know that the volume of the cylinder is given by pi R square H. Or from this we have H is equal to V divided by pi R square. Now we have to minimize the total surface area. So to minimize total surface area, S is equal to, so here the curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi R H, and since it is open at the top, so here it is given it is open at the top, so we will not have this area, we will have only the area of this base. So it is 2 pi R H plus pi R square, or this is equal to 2 pi R into H is V divided by pi R square plus pi R square. So this is equal to 2V by R plus pi R square. Let me continue here. So to minimize the total surface area, we have to find ds by dr and then find the points at which ds by dr equal to 0 and then find the points of local minima. So first let us find ds by dr. ds by dr, it is minus 2v by r square plus 2 pi r. Now we know that at the critical points ds by dr equal to 0, which means, so from here we have, now this is 2 pi r. So from this we have, here 2 by r square is common. It is pi r cube minus v equal to 0. Or we have r is equal to v by pi the whole raised to 1 by 3. Now let us find d square v by d square s by dr square. D square s by dr square is minus 2v into minus 2 by r cube plus 2 pi. So d square s by dr square at r is equal to v by pi the whole raised to 1 by 3. It is 4v by v by pi plus 2 pi. This is greater than 0, which means r is equal to v by pi whole raised to 1 by 3. It is a point of local minima. Now initially we have taken h is equal to v by pi r square. So from here we have, so this implies H is equal to, V is nothing but R cube into pi divided by pi R square. Since we got R is equal to V by pi, the whole raised to 1 by 3. So it means R cube is equal to V by pi, or V is equal to pi R cube. So here we can substitute V is equal to pi R cube. When we substitute and simplify, we get H is equal to R. So we can see that the total surface area will be minimum when the height is equal to the radius of its base. Next question. A closed right circular cylinder has a volume of 2156 cubic meter. What will be the radius of its base so that the total surface area is minimum? Find the height when the total surface area is minimum. So here it is given a closed right circular cylinder has a volume of 2156 cubic meter. We have to find the radius of its base so that the total surface area is minimum, and also we have to find the height. So it is similar to the previous one except that the volume is given as 2156 cubic meter and the cylinder is closed. So let us take this right circular cylinder and let R be the radius and H be the height of the right circular cylinder. So here it is given volume is 2156 meter cube. So the volume of cylinder is given by pi R square H. So pi R square H is equal to 2156, or from this we have H is equal to 2156 divided by R square into 1 by pi. 1 by pi we can write it as 7 by 22. So on simplifying we get this goes in 11, it is 98. So this is equal to 686 by R square. Now we have to minimize the total surface area. So to minimize total surface area, S is equal to total surface area of the cylinder is given by 2 pi R H plus 2 pi R square, or this is equal to 2 pi R into H is 686 by R square plus 2 pi R square. So let me continue here. Now to minimize the total surface area, we have to find ds by dr equated to 0, find the critical points and find the points of local minima using second derivative test. So ds by dr equal to minus 2 pi into 686 by r square plus 4 pi r. Now ds by dr equal to 0 implies, so here 2 pi by r square is common, we can take it outside, and here we will have 2r cube minus 686 equal to 0. So from this we have r cube is equal to 686 divided by 2, it is 343, it is nothing but 7 cube. Therefore r is equal to 7. Now let us find d square s by dr square to find the point of local minima. D square s by dr square, it is equal to It is minus 2 pi into 686 into minus 2 by r cube plus 4 pi. Now d square s by d r square at r is equal to 7, it will be positive. It is greater than 0. Therefore, r is equal to 7 is a point of local minima. So here they have asked what will be the radius of its base so that the total surface area is minimum. So radius it is r is equal to 7 centimeter is the radius. Now we'll find the height. So initially we have taken height as 686 by r square. So height is equal to 686 divided by 7 square. So this is nothing but 2 into 7 square by 7 square, or it is equal to 14. Therefore, required radius equal to 7 meter and height is equal to 14 meter. Here the volume is given in cubic meter. It means the radius and height are in meters. So for minimum surface area, the required radius is 7 meter and the height is 14 meter. Next question, show that the radius of a closed right circular cylinder of given surface area and maximum volume is equal to half of its height. So here we have to show that for a given surface area of a closed right circular cylinder, the volume will be maximum when its radius is equal to half of its height. So let us take, let R be the radius and H be the height of the right circular cylinder. So here it is given a closed right circular cylinder of a given surface area. So here the surface area is given. Let us take it as S. Given surface area S is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. The total surface area of a cylinder is given by 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So from this we have h is equal to s minus 2 pi r square divided by 2 pi r. Let us mark this as equation 1. Now we have to maximize the volume. So to maximize, volume V is equal to, volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. So this is equal to pi r square into h is s minus 2 pi r square divided by 2 pi r. It is from the first equation. So let me continue here. Now we have to maximize this volume. So for that we have to find the critical points and then find the point of local maximum. So for that dV by dr is equal to half into s minus 6 pi r square. So dV by dr equal to 0 implies s minus 6 pi r square equal to 0, or we have r is equal to plus or minus root of s by 6 pi. We cannot take minus 6 pi minus root of s by 6 pi because the radius cannot be negative. Therefore, r is equal to root of s by 6 pi. Now let us find d square v by dr square. It is equal to half into 0 minus 12 pi r. At r is equal to under root s by 6 pi, we have d square v by dr square is equal to half into minus 12 pi into root of s by 6 pi. This is less than 0. Therefore, r is equal to root of s by 6 pi is a point of local maxima. So from this we have s is equal to 6 pi r square. So from 1 we have equation number 1 is we have taken h is equal to s minus 2 pi r square divided by 2 pi r. So from 1 we have h is equal to 6 pi r square minus 2 pi r square divided by 2 pi r, or this is equal to 4 pi r square by 2 pi r. So from this we get h is equal to 2r. Therefore, h is equal to 2r, or we have r is equal to half of h. So here it is asked the radius of a closed right circular cylinder of given surface area and maximum volume is equal to half of its height. So for a right circular cylinder of given surface area, the volume will be maximum when the radius is equal to half of its height. So here we have got the radius of the cylinder is equal to half of its height. Next question, find the maximum volume of the cylinder which can be inscribed in a sphere of radius 3 root 3 centimeter. So we have to find the maximum volume of a cylinder that can be inscribed in a sphere. So let us take, let r be the radius and h be the height of the cylinder. Here it is given the radius of the sphere is 3 root 3 centimeter. So let us consider this sphere with center O and radius r. This is the cylinder which is inscribed inside this sphere. So the cylinder has got radius r and height h. So when we consider this as the center of the sphere, we have from this triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle, AB square equal to BC square plus AC square. So we have from triangle ABC, AB square equal to BC square plus AC square. AB is nothing but it is 2r. That is the diameter of the sphere. So 2r the whole square equal to BC square is 2 small r. Here small r is nothing but it is the radius of the cylinder. The whole square plus AC is the height of the cylinder. So it is x square. Here r is given as it is 3 root 3. So we have 6 root 3 the whole square equal to 4r square plus h square. So from this we have r square is equal to 108 minus h square divided by. So we have to maximize the volume of the cylinder. So to maximize volume V equal to the volume of the cylinder is given by pi r square h. So this is equal to pi h into let us mark this as equation 1. R square is 108 minus h square divided by 4 from 1. So let me continue here. So to find the maximum volume, we have to find the critical points. So to differentiate with respect to h. dV by dH is pi by 4 into, sorry, here it is h cube, 108 minus 3h square. At the critical points, we have dV by dH as 0, which means 108 minus 3h square equal to 0. From this we have h square is equal to, it is 36. So h is equal to plus or minus 6. We cannot take minus 6. So h is plus 6. Now we'll find d square v by dh square. It is pi by 4 into 0 minus 6h. Now we have d square v by dh square at h is equal to 6 is equal to pi by 4 into minus 36. This is less than 0. Therefore, we can see that h is equal to 6 is a point of local maxima. Now we are asked to find the maximum volume. Therefore, maximum volume is equal to, so from here we can find maximum volume. It is pi by 4 into 108 into 6 minus 6 cube. So when we simplify, we get 108 pi centimeter cube. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.